Hi, I'm Dharmesh Darshan, and you are watching Bollywood Hangama.
So we like to play a rapid fire with you on Raja Hindustani.
Chichak.
So it should be interesting. You'll like it. Rapid fire with Dharmesh Darshan. If Raja Hindustani is remade today, who do you think will perfectly fit this cast apart from Aamir and Karishma?
I don't think anyone can replace Aamir and Karishma. एक तो आई थिंक राजा हिंदुस्तानी रैपिड फायर तो मैं जल्दी बोलता हूँ. राजा हिंदुस्तानी एक तो बनना बहुत मुश्किल है. इट्स नॉट एन एक्शन फिल्म में शायद बना सकती है. आई डोंट नो दिलवाले है ना हम आपके कौन राजा हिंदुस्तानी ये बन सकती है कि नहीं, मुझसे भी बन सकती है कि नहीं. आमिर खान और करिश्मा कपूर की लगन को, इंटेग्रिटी को, परफॉर्मेंस का मुझे नहीं मालूम लाइफ में. इट वाज दे कांट बी रिप्लेस्ड. I don't see, just to say a quote of, I don't see in any generation. They may be better, they may be good. No, I don't see anyone.
Okay, a major change in Aamir Khan since the days of Raja Hindustani.
I've met him long back. Then I met him for Mela after that for so many years. Then I didn't meet him at all.
15 years you haven't met Aamir?
No, I met him once. I meet actors, fortunately or fortunately, only when I'm working with them. I don't breathe down their back otherwise. I don't call them up.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, I don't meet them at all. They like it, they don't like it. I don't network. I don't trouble them. I don't let them come in. The time I'm doing the film, I'm available 2 o'clock in the night, 4 o'clock in the night, 6 o'clock in the night, 24 hours for the year or 2 years. But I haven't met him. I think I met him once at my friend Keval's house. I congratulated him for Gajini. And then, yes, I remember doing this thing. A book came out and somebody gave me his recommendation. And somebody recently gave me that book. And the centerpiece is my interview, some 25-30 pages. And it's got Mahesh Bhattji, Raj Hirani, all the good directors he's worked with, Ashu, you know. But the centerpiece is with me of Raja Hindustani, and they've said that it's a wonderful book with Aamir Khan. I'll do it my own way or something. Some foreigner has written. You know.
Okay, I've read that.
And the centerpiece, you must read it. Is
I've read that.
25,
I've reviewed that as well.
Yeah,
it was some time back actually.
Yes, just some time. And I didn't know about this because
right.
I don't, And that writer, somebody sent me that book.
That's the book.
Yeah.
In fact,
This was the book of Aamir Khan, which the writer sent me. And then this was the centerpiece. I was so proud and happy to see. Because I love reading myself and I'm going to be writing my own book, And I'm, though I feel it's still early, but when so many publishers and everyone seems to be writing, I feel I'll write a legitimate book. And Raja Hindustani is here, right in the center, with Lolo and Aamir and and my about 25 pages piece. And this international writer made it the centerpiece. I feel very happy about it.
Which has been the best performances of Aamir and Karishma apart from Raja Hindustani?
I think Aamir was excellent in Akele Hum Akele Tu.
One of his underrated
films. I think because it didn't work. I think Aamir was excellent in Rangila.
Mm-hmm.
Whether he agrees or disagrees with Ram Gopal Varma took out. When I saw Rangila, I told him, तू बोलता है राम गोपाल वर्मा तुझे एक ही टेक देता है और मैं तुझे 10 टेक देता हूँ, लेकिन फिर मुझे तुझे एक ही टेक देना चाहिए. But he got the best actor award for Raja Hindustani.
Right.
So I think he was very good in Rangila. Recently, I haven't seen so much of his work. I'll be utterly honest with you. But then last 5 years, I've been mourning of my parents, and I don't like catching films on DVD and satellite and piracy. I like going to the cinema. So his I haven't seen so much. But I would say Lagan also is good. But I'd say Akele Hum Akele Tu, Rangila, and Raja Hindustani, of course. And Karishma, I think Dil To Pagal Hai.
Yes.
She was very, very
right.
good.
She got a national award for that.
Yes. Yashji and Aditya. Apart from Raja Hindustani, I think Yash Uncle and Aditya took excellent work out. For though Madhuri Dixit was also there. But Karishma did it very, very well. And if you may allow me, she was good in Fiza.
Yes, she was very good in Fiza.
She was very good in Fiza. But popular film, I think after Raja Hindustani, Dil To Pagal Hai, where I think she was playing the supporting part.
Correct.
But she did very well.
She was excellent.
Excellent. And Fiza, she did very well.
If given a chance to go back in time, what change you'd like to do in Raja Hindustani? You'd like to change anything in Raja Hindustani?
I'd like to change everything in Raja Hindustani. Give me a choice. I'd like to put back Aamir's cradle sequence, which he cried and fought with me. But because of length, directors are ziddi, they don't cut their film. I cut their film. I cut a super hit song from Melag or Chori Chori, which Hollywood bought. They fought with me, but the producer said cut. I cut. So I cooperate. Director अपने काम नहीं काटते, मैं काटता हूँ कि theatre वाले को problem नहीं हो, ये हो. I understand the market. You know, Amir did one very brilliant sequence in Raja Hindustani when first he comes to know that the child is there. Now he goes directly and kidnaps the child. First he used to go and cry, and the baby is not in the house. And Archana Puran Singh and Pramod Mathurji and Monish Bell, they get him beaten up and thrown, saying that Karishma doesn't want him. She's not at home that day. She's taken the baby to the doctor. He did it very, very well. And then his aggression comes up again and he goes and kidnaps the child.
Oh.
But what do I do? It was a 15 long minute sequence. The producers, everyone was, Ramesh, cut the film. So I remember I went to meet Amir Khan. He was shooting at Film City all the way in the night, and I explained to him, see, I've shot the sequence, I've written the sequence, I've extracted the performance from you and everyone. I took so many pains, I've edited. मैं काट रहा हूँ. Please, he was very, don't cut. I said, please trust me. वैसे भी सब कुछ मिला superstar actor. But I wish, I could find that piece, and I wish I could put it sometime.
I think deleted scene or something.
Deleted
People would
sequence,
love to see that.
Oh, you should see. It's dubbed also,
People would love to.
Love
do you
to
have
see.
a?
I'm not the producer. You should take it from Cineyug, And I can only give you a hands-on thing which even the producer can't give. But those things they will. What a performance he gave. I mean, if he got Best Actor, Filmfare and all award, I think perhaps if I had not cut it, he would get Best National Award.
Oh.
But what do I do? We had to compromise. So it had to make him superstar also. Business भी होना था. तो let's say वो मिला और Best Actors Award ये आके मिले. शायद उसमें National Award भी मिलता उसको. और वो करिश्मा नहीं थी उस सीक्वेंस में. सिर्फ आमिर खान और अर्चना पूरन सिंह और मोनीश बेल थे.
Great. Pardesi Pardesi or Pucho Zara Pucho, a song of Raja Hindustani you think have stayed with public all these years?
I think for the mature generation, Pardesi jana nahi. And I think for the younger lot, Pucho Zara Pucho, Rajaji.
If you've given the power to cast any two actors from Bollywood in your next film, who do you think they will be? Who are the actors that you'd like to?
Well, I worked with everyone, honestly. I would like to cast an actor according to the script. Otherwise, I would have gone on working with one person.
Sure.
तो हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी what is हर अरमान
हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी घर
हर अरमान पर दम निकले बहुत निकले मेरे अरमान लेकिन कम निकले. तो मैं स्क्रिप्ट का दीवाना हूँ, म्यूजिक का दीवाना हूँ. I can work with newcomers also, but if you ask me, अमिताभ जी, who my home company did एक रिश्ता with.
Sunil Deshmukh.
Yeah, so that was my father's company. So there I worked with the Bachchans also and interacted little with them. But Amitabh ji, I was supposed to do a film in between. We signed it, it was starting then. All this thing happened, And वो बनी नहीं. And one more person. I like his dedication. Shah Rukh Khan. And we were supposed to work twice. Unfortunately, for mutual reasons, I regret that वो कभी उनसे कभी मुझसे नहीं हो सका. Shahrukh is a friend. He's a dedicated actor. I think the scope for me contributing there, if I return, for the masses, for the classes, for which all he is, I respect his ability. I like him. बहुत काम अच्छा करते हैं वो. I like Salman also. अक्षय कुमार के साथ तो मैंने ट्रेंड सेटिंग काम किया उनके करियर में धड़कर. रणवीर सिंह, रणबीर कपूर सब अच्छे हैं. वरुण धवन, लेकिन अगर आप मुझसे दिल से पूछे, सलमान इज अ सुपर ड्यूपर स्टार. But I don't know how much I can contribute there. But शाहरुख खान is my like आमिर मेरे. वहाँ पे मैं पता नहीं हिट फ्लॉप वो तो ऊपर वाला लिखता है. राजा हिंदुस्तानी वाला मुझे नहीं मालूम. इतिहास वहाँ पे मैं उनकी आवाज, his depth, renegotiating it. I've never worked with him. He's worked with very good directors. How to work with Yash Chopra, Aditya Chopra, Karan Johar, Sanjay Bansali. He's worked with many good directors. Aziz Mirza ji, ऐसे कि Mani Ratnam ji, it would be a challenge for me to negotiate it commercially also with him at this point.
Absolutely.